Hello viewers, are you experiencing a video keeps appearing repeatedly on Facebook? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. Let's see the step. For fixing this problem, first of all, find Facebook apps and then long press on Facebook apps. Now open Facebook app info, click on I button or app info. Now go to storage option. Go to storage option. Click on clear cache. Go back. Click on force stop. Click on OK to confirm. Now go back to home screen and then go to Play Store. Click on search app and search for Facebook. From here, update your Facebook apps in latest version. After completing update process, now restart your device. Press and hold on power button and then restart your device. After restart your device, now go to Facebook and see problem solved successfully.